أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek refuge with Allah from the evil one, the rejected. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. قل يا عبادي الذين آمنوا اتقوا ربكم للذين أحسنوا في هذه الدنيا حسنة وأرض الله واسعة إنما يوفى الصابرون أجرهم بغير حساب. Say, O you, my servants who believe, fear your Lord. Good is the reward for those who do good in this world. Spacious is Allah's earth. Those who patiently persevere will truly receive a reward without measure. قل إني أمرت أن أعبد الله مخلصا له الدين. Say, verily I am commanded to serve Allah with sincere devotion. وأمرت لأن أكون أول المسلمين. And I am commanded to be the first of those who bow to Allah in Islam. قل إني أخاف إن عصيت ربي عذاب يوم عظيم. Say, I would, if I disobeyed my Lord, indeed have fear of the penalty of a mighty day. قل الله أعبد مخلصا له ديني. Say, it is Allah I serve with my sincere and exclusive devotion. فَاعْبُدُوا مَا شِئْتُم مِّن دُونِهِ قُلْ إِنَّ الْخَاسِرِينَ الَّذِينَ خَسِرُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ وَأَهْلِيهِمْ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ أَلَا ذَلِكَ هُوَ الْخُسْرَانُ الْمُبِينُ. Serve you what you will besides him. Say, truly, those in loss are those who lose their own souls and their people on the day of judgment. Oh, that is indeed the real and evident loss. لهم من فوقهم ظلل من النار ومن تحتهم ظلل ذلك يخوف الله به عباده يا عباد فاتقون. They shall have layers of fire above them and layers of fire below them. With this doth Allah warn of his servants, O my servants, then fear you me. وَالَّذِينَ اجْتَنَبُوا الطَّاغُوتَ أَن يَعْبُدُوهَا وَأَنَابُوا إِلَى اللَّهِ لَهُمُ الْبُشْرَى فَبَشِّرْ عِبَادِ. Those who eschew evil and fall not into its worship and turn to Allah in repentance, for them is good news. So announce the good news to my servants. الذين يستمعون القول فيتبعون أحسنه أولئك الذين هداهم الله وأولئك هم أولو الألباب. Those who listen to the word and follow the best meaning in it, those are the ones whom Allah has guided, and those are the ones endued with understanding. أفمن حق عليه كلمة العذاب أفأنت تنقذ من في النار. Is then one against whom the decree of punishment is justly due equal to one who eschews evil? Wouldst thou then deliver one who is in the fire? لكن الذين اتقوا ربهم لهم غرف من فوقها غرف مبنية تجري من تحتها الأنهار وعد الله لا يخلف الله الميعاد. But it is for those who fear their Lord that lofty mansions, one above another, have been built. Beneath them flow rivers of delight. Such is the promise of Allah. Never doth Allah fail in His promise. ألم تر أن الله أنزل من السماء ماء فسلكه ينابيع في الأرض ثم يخرج به زرعا مختلفا ألوانه ثم يهيج فتراه مصفرا ثم يجعله حطاما إن في ذلك لذكرى لأولي الألباب. Seest thou not that Allah sends down rain from the sky and leads it through springs in the earth? Then He causes to grow therewith produce of various colors. Then it withers. Thou wilt see it grow yellow. Then He makes it dry up and crumble away. Truly, in this is a message of remembrance to men of understanding. Sadaqallahul Azim.